The family of noted lawyer and BJP leader Pitabas Panda, who was shot dead, recently sought police protection after receiving death threats. Panda's wife Suchismita, during a press conference, revealed that her family had received multiple calls threatening them to withdraw a pending legal case. Following the allegations, the Berhampur police took swift action and placed the Panda family under 24-hour police protection. Plainclothes officers have been deployed around the Panda residence to ensure round-the-clock surveillance. Senior police officials have also confirmed that an investigation has been launched to trace the origin of the threatening calls and identify those involved. According to reports, the threats were made from unknown phone numbers, with the caller using abusive and vulgar language and directly mentioning the name of Bikram Panda. The caller allegedly warned that the family would be killed if the case was not withdrawn. In her emotional appeal, Pitabas Panda's wife expressed that the family was living in fear and pleaded with authorities to ensure their safety.
Bikram Panda narega je apno kesta bond karibe ki nahi ame seta mariba pai bi dhamke deichonde sei jogun amar family proti amako टिके विपद अछि से पे में पुलिस प्रशासन को मुख्यमंत्री माननीय मुख्यमंत्री को अनुरोध जेते पर्यंत हमर केसटा ये न हो सेते पर्यंत हमको बेल रे न छाड़ो आ हमको न्याय देंतो जेते पर्यंत मोर स्वामी को जे हत्या करछंदी तांको जीवित न्याय देंतो।